it's Dreamy Bunny. I'm back. I know I haven't been around for some time, but it's because I had a bunch of medical tests and I was down for a while after one of them because it wasn't a very good experience and I was in a lot of pain, so I had to stay on bed rest mostly, like other than like getting up and eating and stuff. So that's where I've been. And honestly, like if you want to know like where I've been or whatever, you can follow me on my Instagram. I do post it on my Instagram, like I said. It's Dreamy and then period Bunny. I'll link it down below. For today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing of a package I got from Modakawa. It's a site that sells cosplay stuff, J-fashion, and all kawaii stuff. So I reached out to them and they said that I could pick two things off of their website, which originally I was going to get the character wig for the character's cosplay that I got, but they were out of stock, so I ended up ordering it, and it was supposed to come from the United States from a different store on AliExpress, and now they're telling me that it could take up to 40 days. So I have to do this unboxing though because I do want to show off the costume so that you guys can go check it out. And I'm definitely very excited for this cosplay, honestly, but I sadly can't even try it on because I wanted to put the wig on with it and give you the full effect. So when I get the wig, I plan on doing a makeup tutorial with this character, and I'll definitely show it in that video. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to do an unboxing, show you the products, and I did pick a costume and a wig, just so you guys know. The wig I picked was really pretty. It's like a Lolita wig, but it's my favorite color hair, so yeah, I guess let's get started. I don't think they gave me a code to share you, but if they did, I'll definitely link it down below for you guys, because it'll probably be like 20% off or something, 10%, and anything is something like in cosplay. Really, keep on watching. Okay, so here it is. Trying to try not to show you my address. It's right here, and I'm gonna open it really fast here. So I just showed you. Okay, so first we'll start off with pulling it out, and here's the bag it comes in, which is really cute. It has a little bear on it, and both my things are in here. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with the wig first. It's just wrapped in a nice little container thingy like it normally is with the cardboard. And I'll definitely try this wig on for you guys in this video, just so you guys can see like the quality and stuff on. So it's like this dusty purple color, which I love. It's pretty thin. You can definitely see through there, but the hairline is very nice. It's a very straight hairline, and it has like kind of a little bit of bangs. Really long and really pretty, curly. So I will show you that here. So here's the wig, guys, and the bangs are tiny, and they only go off to the right side. I see one little piece of string here. I don't know what to do with him. I guess I'll tuck him in for now. I'm sure it's just like a thread because it looks like a thread. I'm not professional at all, but yeah, definitely look like a thread. I love the color. I think it looks really pretty and it's really tight. I have a small head, like not small, but like average. My head is average and it's very tight, so if you have a bigger head than me, it's gonna be tight because I'm like a medium in hats. I do love this. The length is super nice. It's like really long and super pretty. It's very soft. It's not like a hard wig, and it's not super shiny either, so I think it looks really pretty and I really like it, aside from it being a little tiny bit too tight because my head hurts normally, so this is gonna really give me a bad headache. But yeah, I really like it a lot, but like I said, the only downfall is that it's a little tight. So but that's about it. I mean, even like it being a thinner wig, you can't really see that bad into the wig. So I honestly think that it's a great wig. I can't remember how much it was. I think it's like 15, 16 around. But yeah, definitely worth the money. It definitely like looks really pretty. I've been looking for purple wigs because I have purple hair, and honestly was such a big upkeep and it's super expensive. Yeah, it's shedding a little bit, like a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's just shedding a little, but I think that's a little normal with wigs because like has to settle. But yeah, I definitely love this wig and I definitely give it a 7.5. A 7.5. The points that are not there because it's tight, so that's about it. But other than that, I love it and I really recommend it. Like I said, recommend this stuff really a lot. So yeah, go follow them on Instagram. I'll leave the links to the products down below so that you guys can get your own. And yeah, I hope you have a good day. I got the costume that I chose. Any guesses? If you have a guess, comment below before I show you. Oh, and it came with a wig cap too, just so you guys know. So, here it is. It is Froppy from My Hero Academia. And I'm so excited. I got so many requests to actually do this character, and then I started watching the anime and I was like, oh my god, I love her. So I definitely cannot wait for this cosplay and I'm so excited. I never had one of these suits here before, so it's definitely a different experience for me. So there's a zipper going all the way down to like the middle part of your back, and it's an invisible zipper, so looks like on the inside it's sort of thin but not really, so maybe like just like wear nude underwear or like one of those bodysuit things. And then here's the actual collar. They actually go into like a glove, which you don't have to have separate. If I can find it here, which they're perfect, and the stretch is really nice. It's very soft material. It's not like itchy, and it's not rough. It's very smooth and soft, and it has a turtleneck on. None of it is actually like attached. It's just printed. And then you got her booty down here. It's a shiny little booty. And then it goes all the way down into a foot, which is really nice. Like I said, I never had one of these suits, so I don't exactly know like too much about them, but definitely pretty and definitely cute. The colors are very vibrant. It doesn't look faded at all, and there's no holes and no imperfections so far. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. This is really nice. It's sewed really nice. Like, I know I got some costumes that were like missed stitching from like MIC cosplay, but yeah, I don't see any misses on this one, and I mean, very nice stitching, honestly. I think worth your money. I think it was like $40, I'm pretty sure. And they had a very large range of sizes, like extra extra small all the way up to like 4XL. One in the size range, which is very nice because I know that there's a lot of small people, like very tiny petite people, and there's larger people that want to cosplay, and I don't think it's fair when they're inclusive to just one. So yeah, I do think that it's very nice that they give you the option to have that many sizes. So yeah, kudos for you. And honestly, I love Modakawa. They were so nice. It was super fast shipping. I was in contact with Doris for maybe about a week, and then it shipped out and I got it within a week. So about 2 weeks. The wig is very nice. I love the purple and I love the color, and I will have photos on my Instagram. And then for the suit, I definitely give this a 10 out of 10 because honestly, I think it's really good quality for the price, and it's a hidden gem, and I never ever heard of this store before, and I'm very impressed with the quality and the pricing, honestly. But like I said, the wig I'm getting is not from Modakawa, but it is from AliExpress, and it's like Anagal hair. So I will definitely let you know how that wig is, because I know it's super hard to find wigs for Froppy. Like, all I've been finding is a sludgy blackish color, and it's like, that's not what I want. I want a dark green. I will definitely let you know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm gonna try to make more videos. As soon as my health issues resolve, please stay tuned because I have lots of exciting things coming up. It's just taking a little extra time because I've run into some, like I said, health issues. My migraines are no better, and I just need to get it under control. But yeah, it's pretty frustrating, but I guess you live, right? I guess. But anyways, definitely like and subscribe and comment on this video. So follow me, subscribe, and I'll see you another day. Bye!